So we are going to Animal Kingdom 动物王国 and I'm excited because I heard that there's capybara there and there's so many animals so yeah, there's a few things to do in Aso Farmland. There's quite a few activities especially for the kids, but I guess today we'll be just going to the Animal Kingdom to check out the lovely animals in the garden. And also right opposite will be the strawberry farm which we will be checking out later for strawberries picking. So yeah. Hello. It's very soft. Look at them. Okay, so we have just finished Animal Kingdom and now we are going for strawberry picking. So are you excited?
Of course. I know the strawberry in Japan is very sweet.
Yeah, I can't wait to try all of them out, man. So hey, let's go check it out. I just went to a strawberry picking and never in my life had so much strawberries. It's so good, it's so sweet and juicy. I would like to thank your Wi-Fi for providing me the pocket Wi-Fi, and they even comes with a portable charger for me to charge the pocket Wi-Fi and my mobile phone. So I'm really thankful for that.